HeyViva is your personalized robot to create sales copy that is prompt free. So HeyViva is a prompt free AI sales copywriter that you can use, unlimited use, to really create a lot of things. So the first thing we create is a brand playbook. Once you have a brand playbook, you have your narrative, your pain points, your positioning, the solution you provide, the risk of inaction for your customers, your value propositions with some taglines, and even if you don't have them, some brand identity pillars and colors to really just, provide you all of the basics for your brand. To create this, 4 questions. You answer 4 questions and HeyViva can create all of this brand playbook for you that you can then download. You can also create your products playbook. So it's one thing to have your brand, but if you can go deeper and create a brand identity for each of your products. So let's say you're a swimming pool and spa store and you sell hot tubs and you sell above ground pools and you sell in-ground pools. Those are different personas that are going to buy those products. Your pitch is going to be different. So the brand playbook provides you with the sales copy that you need. So it'll identify some personas that will be, really ideal avatars for this product. It will give you the pain points your customers are experiencing, the features that you are providing. Again, it's all promptless. It just asks you basic questions to answer. You answer the questions and it spits out the information. Then it gives you your internal strategy alignment, your elevator pitches, different pitches for those different avatars, your product brief to align your team internally, and your sales brief for your sales team to give them some talking points. So they have the product, the key pain points, value point 1, value point 2. So imagine being able to come up with a new product, or even if you're just purchasing and reselling a new product, to come in here, do this brand positioning for each product that you sell, and then use this to train your sales team. Imagine how much more efficient you'll be. Trying to create this on your own would take hours, if not weeks. Once you have that done, this system will help you create all of the following. We even can create some images using AI based on your products and your brand. Competitor analysis, a complete and detailed business plan to help you secure funding or project goals, or just to guide your business to where you want to go. Lead magnets, lead delivery emails, ad copies using the AIDA, BAP, and PAS. There are 8 ad frameworks in here. Again, just ask a few questions and it will spit out the content. Sales headlines, sales copy page, nurture sequences, lead nurture sequences, entire SMS campaigns, video sales letters, conversation starters, a single email, cold outreach emails, replies, follow-ups, prospect retention, YouTube video scripts. And it says YouTube, it could really be any type of video, right? So I'll show you what I created earlier today, but any type of video script, super quick. Blogs. You know how hard it is to come up with articles that you want to put out on the web or blogs with this system based on your playbook and your product playbooks. This will spit out blogs in minutes. Social media posts for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. And it will generate the social media posts based on the link. So, the same image for the social media post, but then different text for the different ones. And it'll suggest images to use. How about hashtags? I never quite know which hashtags to use. So it will do that as well. And brand website. So this could be used for landing pages, to get content to put on your landing page, or to really revamp your own website. You could look at it to see based on your brand narrative, right? Your brand playbook, so that your voice is always the same. Key point extractor is really fun. If you have a long document and it's really convoluted, you can put it in here and it will pull out It'll extract the key points of that document. You can ask it to rewrite. If you want, you can upload your own prompt library. That's a little bit more work, but why do it when all of this other stuff is here? And you can also brainstorm. It is voice activated, so you can, ask it to translate something. You can speak to it with a microphone and ask it what you want, and then it'll spit out content. So this kind of essentially replaces ChatGPT. But earlier today, I was, just doing a test in French, and then I wanted to see, hey, why don't you create a YouTube video for me based on our platform? And so I needed it in French. So it spit out my entire video to create what to say, but it also says, insert an image, and this is all in French, so it's probably Chinese to you, but it inserts images, like gives you ideas of what images to put in your video as you're building it. And it saves your content. So you can come back, you can create as many products as you want, and then you'll see all of your content. You can see here that we use the system to create blogs, lead magnets, etc., email campaigns. We use it a lot. So you have unlimited use to have access to HeyViva. On top of that, when you purchase the HeyViva package, we also throw in our social media planner, which is so fun and will save you hundreds of hours every year, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So you just connect your social media, and you can connect all of these. Any business Facebook page, any business Instagram, Google My Business profile, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, YouTube, or Pinterest. Once you have those connected, you can go in, create a new post. From here, you select which account you want to post to. You start composing your post. You can use AI to compose your post if you're not quite sure what to write. You attach images or videos. Now, here's the fun thing. I always wondered how people could do this on Facebook, like how they did, all the different bolding of text and putting something in italics. With our system, you can do it right here. So you can have like Facebook posts that are a little bit more fun. You can add your hashtags. You can program your hashtags in different categories, and then say, you can do 30 hashtags per category, and then save them. And then once you save your categories, you can just say, I'm going to just use, these, and it will pick 3 out of your 30 and apply them to the post that you've made. You can tag people. You can also do the location. Now, here's another thing you can do. Super fun. Follow-up comments. So we all know that the social media platforms don't like it if you put in your post, click here for our free giveaway. But you can post, see first comment for link to freebie, right? And in your first comment, you can put your link here and more info. And now your follow-up comments are going to be on all of your posts. And you can do that all automatically. You can do reels, you can do stories, and you can do posts. For YouTube, you can also post videos to YouTube. Then you can post now, schedule your post for later. If you use a VA, your VA just goes in here. They don't have to log into your social media platforms. They can just come here, get all your posts ready, and send them for approval. And there's an area where you can see all the posts that are ready for your approval. And then you can just approve them and post them. And you can also reschedule posts. A great example of this is, let's say you do the same fundraiser every year for a charity of your choice, and you want to repost that year over year. You can go in here and schedule a yearly post that starts now, and you can do it, for X number of years. So let's just pick the same date so it's not weird. Oops, 18. And then we can go here and post it, I want it once per year for the next 6 years, and then I could schedule post and it will be scheduled once a year for the next 6 years. So just again, saving time, saving money, because if you were paying someone to go on each of your social medias and post for you, now you can do it so quickly. You can view your posts in like this, or I like to view them on the calendar so I can see where my holes are, and then you can see where you're posting and how often. And you can also see on your content, this is where you'll be able to see the ones that are waiting for approval. We have a template library. You can do RSS feeds as well to post automatically. You can see reviews, recurring posts that are scheduled, and you can also import CSVs for all of your posts, which saves time as well. And then you can see statistics, how many people liked, shared, or commented on each of your posts, so you can post more of that and less of the other ones. Last thing I want to show you here is that we have thousands and thousands of pre-made templates with that text. So if you are a business coach and you're into coaching, let's say lifestyle coaching, we have posts that are already made with images and the actual text. You can just click continue. It will load it into your calendar, and you just schedule when you want to send them out, and you can adjust the text that has there. We have suggested texts, but there are thousands of them for all kinds of industries. Again, you just go to social media templates and you can start searching and seeing what's there. We're constantly adding new ones, so you just have a ton in there to choose from. So again, please get your free reputation report so that you can see where you stand and find out how we can help you boost your reputation, save you some time, save you some money, and help get you more customers.